How to convert currency and units in Calculator app. If you've been struggling with third-party apps or searching through Spotlight for conversions, this update is about to make your life a lot easier. Let's get started. Open your Calculator app and tap the Calculator button. Then toggle the Convert option on. As soon as you tap on Convert, you'll notice the layout of the calculator changes. Now, instead of just numbers, you get two fields for conversions. Now, tap on the first unit field next to the first number. A list will pop up with all the types of conversions you can make. Currencies, length, weight. Select the unit type from the top and then choose the specific unit you want to convert. Let's say you want to convert euros to pounds. Select euros in the first field and then tap the second unit field to pick pounds. Once you've set both units, simply enter a number, and the app will automatically do the conversion for you. So that's how you can use the iOS 18 Calculator app to make quick currency and unit conversions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.